All right, guys, we're done here in Woodbridge, Virginia. As you can see, it looks really, really good. Uh, so can't say anything more than this. This looks fantastic. You had a high traffic lane that was over here. Let's see if we can get the client's feedback. How do you think it turned out?
Oh wow.
What do you think? What are your viewpoints here? How do you see it?
Wow, this is night and day.
Night
This
and
is
day.
incredible.
He says it's incredible. Have you ever had services before, sir? Like professional services?
I have.
How do we compare to the other professionals around here?
There is no comparison.
Say that again.
There is no
I mean, I hate to be redundant, but say that one more time.
there's no comparison.
All right, good, good, good. This is night and day.
I actually have the pictures of the stains on this carpet prior to, and you can't even
Yeah, there's no question.
you see nothing.
You don't see anything. And I took the liberty to pull this sofa back here. I pulled it back because I saw some stains that were behind here, and I pulled it back about 60 degrees this way and got the back of there for you too as well. So I mean,
This looks incredible.
thank you, sir.
Incredible.
Thank you so much, sir. Really appreciate you.
Wow.
He's pleased, guys. He's really, really pleased.
Wow.
All right, good to go. So, yeah, would you refer us to your friends, family, coworkers?
That goes without saying.
That goes without saying. All right, good to go. Well, thank you for choosing Neighborhood Carpet Cleaners. I'm glad you chose me. And, yeah, see you next time.
I really appreciate you being able to come out so soon and do such a professional job on this carpet. I mean, this carpet looks brand new.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you.